you ever heard of Sammy the stapler? If not, let me tell you about it.
It's completely affordable at the price of $9.99. It has a safety mechanism, and it doesn't hurt at all.
Hi, I'm Sammy, your new best friend.
It will scare away your enemies.
You can make music with it.
It will keep you and your papers organized.
You can do ASMR with it. You can make a smiley face out of it.
Warning, none of this is true. It will not keep you safe or be your best friend. Do not buy this product.
Now that you learned about Sammy the stapler, visit our social media at sammythestapler.com.